We've had EAL sign us off yesterday. We're now officially able to deliver accredited training.
So today has been Mark's opening day. We've been down supporting our friends, and we're now going to take you guys on a little tour of what is on the wall in here. Well, hello and welcome back to episode 16 of Owning Panels. And once again, we are joined with the man, the myth, the slight legend. That is Mark Allison. And we're actually now downstairs in the Apprentice 1. And I think we're going to go on a little roaming report of what was in here, what we can expect to see once. Actually, it got accredited yesterday, didn't it, Mark?
We did, yeah. So we've had EAL sign us off yesterday. We're now officially able to deliver accredited training.
Yeah. So today has been Mark's opening day. We've been down supporting our friends, and we're now going to take you guys on a little tour of what is on the wall in here. So, WECO corner?
Yeah, let's start with a WECO battery. Why not? Why not?
Oh, also, I built a sledge earlier out of one length of conduit.
It was a good effort, that was. It was a shame other visitors couldn't muster the skill to do it. We saw one of them try it, didn't we? But he didn't quite make it.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is the WECO system. So this has been provided to us by Solax, who are helping us out a little bit with what we're doing here. And the idea is giving a run through commissioning as well as all the accredited style training. So you get that process of turning this stuff on for the first time and knowing how to do your software updates and whatnot as well.
And obviously you've got quite a bit of information and content on your own podcast from WECO and where you went over to Italy and seen all that. So
we were very lucky. But
yeah, it was. It looked a very nice trip. That.
So that's the idea. We've got the new stuff, but we've also got a lot of the older stuff as well, because the old fit systems that he'd made.
Yeah, like Mark sold tools behind him. Now he's hung them up.
Yeah, that's it. Retired off the tools. No, not quite, but we've got different little sets up with pack outs and stuff we're going to have dotted around the place. Yeah. So yeah, the idea is we have a real world replication of what you have on site with you.
This is it, isn't it?
And then the other systems here. So we've got an old Solis system, the Fox stuff that I think you fitted a fair old bit of Fox.
We did a little bit of Fox stuff. We never did the all-in-one cabs, but we did the modular stuff, which is basically the batteries that live inside there. We've done one solid in the past.
So we've got the Polar kit, which sort of vanished from the UK market. They came via Give Energy and left as quickly as they arrived.
I think that's Who Corner.
Yeah, the Give Energy stuff is in there again. And then we've got the little Solises, the SMAs, the Grow Watts.
Yeah, we do lots of these. Me and Jay fit quite a few of these on the bits of new build stuff we do. If we ever have faulty SMA, Sunny Boys, Solis inverters, probably one of our little favourites. String inverters that we use over at DMH is them. And then keep going around a Solax kit.
Yeah, so that's the Solax version of the all-in-one system. That's actually a dummy unit, so it's not a working or functional one, but you get the same process of putting it together. And then there's a TV down here as well, because some of our lecturers are wanting to deliver the theory side amongst the practical workop. We're going to be doing
so you can bring tables and chairs down here.
Yeah, exactly that. So quite a versatile space. So the 2392, which is a preparation day for the 2 or 3 day course for your 2391, is something we intend to do down here. So it's teaching people to test rather than assessing people on their ability to test.
So you're going to build some test rigs for?
Pretty much, yeah. So the wall is going to be complete across here behind us. We're going to have bays off, and that's for both the level 2 and level 3 apprenticeship style training, but also your 2391s, 2392s, because you have to have those rigs and boards in place ready to go. So that's kind of the next stage we're on with.
Phase 2.
Yeah. I mean, the roof trusses for the big roof are coming in tomorrow. I was hoping they'd be here in time for what we were doing today, but that didn't happen. So we've got the bigger roof to go up, and then this bit will probably be in December, building these walls and just finishing off the bays and stuff.
There we go. And then I think just back over that way, it's currently on the UK market, absolute gold dust. So
we just put that up to show off, really, that we've got one.
So while Mark's not looking, I'm just going to take this. We get Sig Energy Gateway, and then a little bit more of the commercial stuff in the corner.
Yeah, and that's more towards the apprenticeship stuff that we're building up to in the future. So actually 200 amp panel boards, and then subdivided down that to your normal TPM boards and right down to single phase.
Basically, a bit of everything is going to go on in this building.
It is in the end. So we're starting very much with solar PV, battery storage, and the EV charging courses. I think we mentioned it on our podcast chat we had the other week. Then we'll lead into like your wiring regs, your testing inspection. And towards the end of next year, sort of September's intake, we want to get our first cohort of apprentices in, roughly 15 or so, working alongside the local training provider, because we don't want to upset them. So that's East Riding College. So we're trying to strike up a relationship there. They're in like Bridlington and Beverley. We're in the middle of that. It's quite a rural area, but it's a big catchment area. People who would otherwise have to travel off. we're hoping to do that from September and then just scale it up from there. We'll see where we get to.
Keep growing. Well, there we go. As always, we'll always wish Mark best of luck with Apprentice 1-to-1 and this space. But I think in this little random podcast, next guest?
Yeah.
No, there's no one more interested than you, Mark. Next.
So I'm just here with Dan. Dan, Sparky In Training. How are you?
Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad.
We're actually coming down to your place next week.
Yeah.
We're going to put solar on your roof for you, which I'm quite excited about. And we've got quite a few of us coming, haven't we?
Yeah, it's going to be busy. Yeah, really busy.
Yeah, no, it's really looking forward. But how have you found today, being up here?
Yeah, I mean, I'm really impressed. Nice space. Really well done.
It seems to be a good response from everyone that was here, and really exciting. Like TIS came up here, Approaches.
Yeah, Approaches.
Came up, had to stand up here. Got the sort of training rigs there with the roof, training rigs with all the inverters. So there's lots of facilities. So I really can't wait for the training to get up and running. So things like solar courses, and hopefully I'll be down here hands-on with the roof, showing people things to do with the roof. But what have you been up to, Dan? Have you?
Not too much, mainly doing stuff at home. I went out with Dave. I did some bits with Dave yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah, just out doing some jobs with him. But yeah, mainly I'm doing stuff for family and that.
Yeah.
I tend to do a few days and then
just
for like 3 days, get over it. Yeah.
it's, how long did it take you to get up here? Is it?
It's just over 3 hours because I stopped at Woodall.
Yeah.
Services with Dave.
Yeah. Just the top of the M1 to come up the M18, I guess. Yeah. But yeah, it's been a really good day here. Actually, I've really enjoyed it. And,
got fed as well. Can't go wrong.
Yeah. Nice food, cake. Chris Horn brought a cake for us all.
Lemon drizzle. That was really good.
Yeah, it was good, wasn't it? Yeah. I'm just eyeing up that roof behind you, thinking, that'd be a good rig there for training. So yeah, it's pretty much. I think it's got everything here. There's going to be another bigger roof, I think, over there, where you can actually get hands-on installing panels on the roof.
Yeah, I'm not sure what. I think mine are flat on my roof.
Are they flat roof?
So I don't know what you have to do with them. Do you have to just cut out a?
Yeah, just hopefully there's enough meat in the back of the tile just to knock
a bit off.
Notch a groove. We will find out next week, won't we, when we're up there? And so,
that's the trouble. You never really look at your roof, but I'm pretty sure they're all flat tiles.
Flat tiles, yeah. This is the thing as well. I mean, every roof is different. You're coming across different things all the time.
Just be thankful I ain't got slate.
I am very thankful after last week that you haven't got slate on your roof. I mean, that job we did with Ollie for Sam at Oval, it was just horrendous. I mean, I don't know if anyone saw that, but honestly, we were just on that roof. Every single slate was just breaking. We literally nearly replaced the whole roof in slate.
I see the.
Did you? Yeah. I was glad when that one was done. But to be fair, it turned out nice in the end. But yeah, it was a mission. It was a mission. But yeah, Dan, it's really good to see you, and looking forward to next week. I'll see you there.
Yeah, I need to try and sort some food out.
Don't worry too much. I think we'll be keeping busy getting that done. I think we set ourselves a day to do it all, haven't we?
Yeah.
But with all the hands we've got, I think Dave Savory's there. Corey's there, Dan is there, Mark's also there with Mattie and Nathan. Who else there?
Craig Gifford should be there.
Craig Gifford.
Ricky from Burn Electrical.
Oh yeah.
I can't remember his first name, from Azzuri.
Oh, Libby, yeah. Libby's there as well, yeah.
Yeah, and apparently he said that RB, I can't remember her name, RB Electrical, I think it is. She's got a yellow van.
Oh, KB Bradshaw should hopefully be there as well, yeah. So yeah, hopefully see there. But yeah, no, it's going to be an exciting day and a bit of a challenge to get it all done. Yeah. But watch this space, and yeah, hopefully
I'll probably spend most of the day moving vans.
Parking attendant. Yeah, that's great. Yeah, Dan, thanks a lot.
I seem to have found a naughty schoolgirl at the back of the class. It is Mattie Allison, the brains, the beauty, and most definitely the brawn of PowerSonic, which is Mark's electrical company that you will see doing solar installs across the country. Lots of SIG energy. Mattie is actually a professional with it. Majority shareholder by now. But I've got Mattie in the classroom because Mattie is actually, I think, going to be, as Mark progresses more, am I right in saying, progresses more into taking on the training side of it and running Apprentice one-to-one, you are taking up the slack that is left behind by Mark in PowerSonic.
I think that's the plan. So he's going to sort of step away a little bit.
Yeah.
And then I'll have to prove that I'm up to the job.
I know you've been asking me about VAT today.
Yeah.
So we've had chats about that and all.
I'll have to get you on speed dial, I think.
Speed dial CIS. I'm a professional this week at CIS. But yeah, taking up the slack of where Mark was doing the day-to-day running and ordering. So are you going to start ordering the gear?
Yeah, I think that'll be the plan. So probably go out and do more of the proposals.
So you're going to get into the customer-facing side as well, and.
Well, I can tell him what's what, and then he can sit in his office and.
So okay. So are you going to start pricing?
Yeah, I go out and measure up.
Because what you need to do is you need to price higher than me, so that I maybe win more jobs on price.
I'll ring you and ask you what your price is.
That's fine. We'll just make them the same.
Yeah.
But yeah, Mattie is going to take over a little bit of running PowerSonic, taking over the day-to-day ordering materials, running jobs, customer-facing sides. I've given him the pay rise now. He's having a 20% pay rise as of Monday morning.
I'm coming for Jay's job.
You're going for Jay's job?
Nathan can run PowerSonic.
Nathan, you can come to Jay's job. I've heard Jay's boss is horrible.
Well, I heard he's got a number plate that says he's Jay's boss.
Yeah, that's the only thing that actually relates to anything. But yeah, that is it. Mattie, back in the classroom, where we belong, not at schoolgirls. Thank you very much.
Shh, no talking. Oh, question 4.
Yeah,
What did you get for that?
I haven't done it yet. Hang on. Oh.
So, I'm sitting my first solar exam, and I bumped into Mr. Libby Azzuri. How are you, Libby?
I'm fine, thank you very much.
You've had lots of wine.
Yeah, I'm driving, so I can't have no wine.
No, I actually haven't seen any alcohol here. Actually,
I think
there was plenty of tea. I've had lots
well,
of Yorkshire tea.
I had the Coke, that's all I had.
Yeah. How you been?
I've been well, thank you very
Yeah.
much. A nice little drive up here.
It's been a good day, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's really interesting. It's good to see, actually. It's an amazing place.
Yeah, to finally get the accreditation and feel officially opened. It's been
It's
really
done
well.
well, and and the equipment they got downstairs is amazing.
Yeah, we just had a look round there with Dan.
It's really good.
The final setup, and I think by the sounds of it, that's going to progress further. There's more kit going on there. But yeah, I mean, what have you got? What have you been up to?
Just pricing, really, getting jobs ready. We've got 2 jobs next week.
Yes, I'm back with you.
We're back on those. I've done a few little electrical jobs, like first fix.
Yeah.
Done 2 of those, couple of board changes. But yeah, it's ticking along. You know, when the solar isn't there, we'll just jump on anything else. That's what we have to do.
What else is going on?
I mean, that's the beauty about this industry.
Yeah, you kind of hop between, can't you?
Yeah, but I do enjoy the solar more, if I'm honest.
I was saying that to Dave Savory actually earlier. I just like being on the roof these days. Yeah.
And plus, I'm on my own, so it's great when you're doing solar. There's 4 or 5 who have a bit of
Yeah, this is nice, isn't it? You get a few of you together.
That's it.
Yeah,
it is. Yeah, it's not. I mean, don't get me wrong. You know, working on your own is how most people start. So, and then you get an apprentice, and then you may employ people. But then you tend to find that that does take a while.
Yeah.
To build a business up like that. But yeah, it's nice when you've got a crew of lads and you're all having, you're all on the same page basically.
Yeah.
Just getting on with the work.
This is it. Yeah. No, it's been good. I'm looking forward to be back on site with you next week. I think James is with us again, and Glenn's with us as well.
Yeah, Glenn's with us.
Yeah, so that'll be another exciting. Well, 2 projects, I believe, that week.
Yeah, 2 projects. Hopefully we're getting done. Hopefully.
In between that, we're doing Dan's, who
Yeah.
I've just been talking to. We're doing Dan's install on the Wednesday as well. So,
yeah, it's going to be a busy week.
yeah, 3 installs in a week. Watch
And the
this
clocks
space.
have just changed, so there's hardly any light left anymore.
That is true. Yeah.
So we've lost. Well, we haven't lost it, but you know, it gets very dark very quickly.
I think we might need some shares in Unilight or
That's
something like that.
it, Head torches for everybody.
Yeah, this is it. But no, it'll be a good week actually.
Yeah,
I'm looking forward to that. But yeah, Libby, thanks for thanks for giving me the exam questions.
That's okay.
Yeah, no,
it'll be wrong.
oh, hang on, I'll just change that.
Whatever I say, tick the other one.
Tick the one, yeah. C. Answer C. C. But no, that's great. Thanks, Libby. Good to see you again. Well, we've had an absolute fantastic day down here. A1-to-1 training now open.
I've eaten all the sandwiches.
I had 1 or 2. I had some rather nice cake.
There was lemon drizzle.
Yeah, from Christopher Horn. So if you ever get a chance to try his cake, definitely. I think he actually sells them.
He does stuff for the electrical industry charity, I think, where they raffle them off to raise money
Oh, nice.
for those guys. But yeah, he's a legend. He's renowned for his cake.
He is, yeah, and it was
Betty
very
Crocker.
nice.
Better have something. I haven't had none yet.
All right, well, yeah, get in there before I get the last bit. But yeah, it's been great to be down here again, and thanks for allowing us in. And
Thank you guys for the support, for coming to help us on the opening ceremony of sorts. Massively appreciate your help and your efforts sharing us through your content as well. So we're very grateful.
No.
You're very welcome, Mark,
Yeah,
and we wish
very.
you all the best for the future with it.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Yeah, and thanks all for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to A1-to-1 Training,
Yes, very much.
which is now open.
This is
It is.
Yeah,
And only panels.
thank you very much.
Yeah, we need it, so please do that one.
yeah.
That's it. We'll see you in the next one.
Yeah, thanks all. Bye.